What if so-called dark matter is not a new mysterious kind of stuff at all, but simply the two faces of how unstable particles live and die across the whole universe? In the energy filament theory, what we call dark matter is not a hidden species of matter hiding from our detectors. It is the statistical footprint of huge populations of short-lived particles. While they are alive, they add up to an extra layer of gravity. And when they die, they leave behind a faint carpet of noise in the energy sea. Textbooks tell you there must be an invisible substance that does not shine, barely interacts, but mysteriously adds gravity. So we built underground labs, deep-sea detectors, and ultra-sensitive instruments to catch it. And after decades, we have not seen a single confirmed particle. Here the story is simpler and more unified. The universe is not being dragged by dark stuff. It is being propped up by the averaged behavior of countless unstable particles. Think about the alive side first. The cosmos is filled with short-lived particles that pop into existence and decay almost immediately. And during the brief moments when they exist, they pull the surrounding energy sea a tiny bit tighter, forming microscopic, short-lived tension pits. One pit is negligible, but if a region keeps producing these particles over and over, never giving the sea time to fully relax, then over long times the sea there is time averaged into a slightly deeper, persistent base layer of tension, like a floor that is subtly but permanently sagged. From the outside, that base layer looks exactly like extra gravity, stars in a galaxy's outer disk orbiting too fast. Clusters of galaxies cling together more tightly than visible matter can explain. Gravity seems not strong enough unless you add something invisible. But what you are really seeing is the cumulative pull of short-lived particles constantly tightening the sea. One raindrop is weightless on your umbrella, 1,000 still feel like nothing special. But 1,000,000 falling steadily makes the umbrella arm ache. The averaged gravity of unstable particles is that of rain weight. That is the first face of dark matter, an extra gravitational floor. The second face comes from what happens when these particles die. Each unstable particle is a twisted little structure in the sea, and when it decays, that structure is released back into the background. For the sea, every decay is a tiny tap or shake, a small kick of vibration, with unimaginably many unstable particles being born, dying, and dumping their tiny disturbances back into the sea everywhere, all the time. The result is a fine, almost uniform fog of weak wave packets spread through space. A lot of what we lump together as backgrounds, parts of the microwave background, radio backgrounds, and other diffuse noise floors, can be seen less as ghost echoes from some single ancient epoch and more as the accumulated micro-tremors of unstable dying particles and giving the sea a little shove. That is the second face of dark matter, a global noise carpet. The same family of particles does both jobs at once. While each one is alive, it deepens the local tension just enough to contribute to an average extra pull. And when it breaks apart, it throws its pattern back into the sea as a tiny ripple that adds to the universal hiss. The reason dark matter seems to be everywhere but never directly caught then stops being a mystery. There is nothing to catch as a separate block of stuff, only the statistical sum of billions upon billions of brief lives. You are not seeing a new substance. You are misreading a collective effect. The extra gravity that holds galaxies and clusters together is the living average of short-lived particles tightening the energy sea. And the diffuse background noise that never quite goes away is the memory of their deaths written into the sea as faint vibrations. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.